I bought the Hapycity Under the Desk 2-in-1 folding treadmill for $219.99. This is how it's shipped in this big box here. So let's open it up. All I should have to do is cut these straps. So I'm going to cut these straps. I'm going to cut this strap. Some tape over the first one. Cut this strap. And then the last strap. It has some tape on here too. So those are all cut. So it should just open up now. Open up the box here. There we go. All right, there's the treadmill. Very easy to open up. All right. So we have a remote control, 2 bottles of liquid, 2 batteries, an Allen wrench, and the safety strap. Here we have the power cord. So we got the power cord in there, the tube for something. We have the warranty and the instruction manual. We have another piece here. This is the tablet mount. There's a look at the other side. All right, so we got styrofoam here. That's taped down actually. Cut the tape. Stick the styrofoam out of there. Has packaging on all sides, which is good. So treadmill doesn't get damaged. Some cardboard and styrofoam. More styrofoam. More tape and styrofoam. Cut that and take that out. More up top. More on the corner. So let's take this out of the box. Just lift it up. The bag should come right off. It's decently heavy, but not too heavy that one person can't handle moving it around. So I'm just going to lift this out of here. Get rid of the box. Here's the treadmill out of the box. If we lift it up, it has wheels on the bottom. So we can move it around on the wheels. First thing it says to do is to step on this pedal lock here. So I'm going to step on that, and that's going to release this bar. I can bring this bar up. It's going to click into place. So clicked into place there. Now our bar is standing up. It says to insert the tablet mount. So that just slides in there. So I'll slide that in. On the front of the treadmill, we can plug our power in. And there's the power switch as well. So I'll just take the power cord. Let's plug that in. Plug the other end into the power strip. Hit the power switch. All right, we're turning on for the first time. Next step is to attach the safety key. So it has a magnet at the bottom. So you can put it on here. And you attach the other side to your clothes. The clip here. So just clip it to your clothes. Okay, the time is zeroed out. So we can start the treadmill. Okay, I believe those are steps. And that's distance. So 9 steps. Then it has calories. Then it has the speed, which is 0.6 right now. And the time. So 18 seconds so far. And the distance. So it's toggling between all the different information on the display. And of course, we can increase our speed up. So it goes by 0.2. Let's speed up again. So now it's at 1. And that's mile per hour. Or we could hit 2. And bring it to 2 miles per hour. Then there's speed down. So we can hit the speed down button and it does the same thing, brings it down by 2. We could pause our walk. Now it's paused. And then I can hit stop. Now our walk's ended. Now let's try it with the bar down. So it says to remove the tablet mount and the safety key. Then I can hit the pedal lock with my foot. Release it. And then bring the bar down. So now I'll grab the remote and put the batteries in the remote. Take the cover off. Put the batteries in that it came with. These are AAA. Put the cover back on. So the remote has speed down, speed up, 4 miles per hour, 2 miles per hour, mode, which is 30 minutes by default. Then there's a distance mode, which is 3 miles by default. And then there's a step mode, which is 3,000 steps by default. And a calorie mode, which is 300 calories by default. Then there's your pause and your start button right there. Now I'm using the remote. So let's start. I wasn't able to get the remote to work without adding the safety key back. So I added the safety key back to the bar. The bar is down. And we're at 0 seconds. Now I'm going to use the remote. So play or start. It's going to count down 3, 2, 1. Bring it up to 4 miles per hour. Bring it up more. So, as you can see, you can control the speed with the remote. Same way. Hit down, it goes down by 0.2. Hit up, it goes up by 0.2. And you go to 4 miles per hour or 2 miles per hour. And you have your different modes. So mode. So there probably is a reason why the remote isn't working when the bar is down. Let me know if you have this issue as well, because I don't think it's supposed to go past 4 miles per hour when the bar is down. But either way, this works for me. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like and comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Also, to stop the treadmill, hold the start button for 2 seconds. And then it stops the treadmill. Thanks.